Hi, and welcome to the Disney Coronado Springs Resort. I'm in the Gran Destino Tower, and I'm going to give you a room tour of room 664, which is a king water view room here in the new Destino Tower. The resort was built in the 90s, but this tower was completed in 2019. So at the time of filming this, it's about 4 years old. So I'm going to show you all the features of this room. So first, to open the room, you can either use the My Disney Experience app on your phone or use room key. I had them make a room key for me. But I'm old-fashioned. So as we come in here, I'll show you some of the features of this room. So on the right-hand side, we've got a hanging barn door style door to the bathroom. And here in the bathroom, hello, there in the mirror, you've got your toilet, and it's got a pocket door. Let's see if I can open this. No. You do have a pocket door to close it off for privacy. I'll have to figure out the latch later. You have two sinks, and you have the Disney Resort bath products, including mouthwash, body lotion, vanity kit, soap. And then here in the stand-up shower, which is nicely decorated with the tile accent, you've got the large pump shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And looks like you have like a rain shower head set up as well as an adjustable shower head. And it's nicely decorated. It definitely feels new. You also have a magnifying mirror here on the side for shaving or putting on makeup. So this is a connecting room. I'm not going to be using the other room on the other side, but it is a connecting room. They do have a lot of connecting rooms here at the Disney properties. So in this closet, you've got, I'll start at the top, you've got some extra bedding, hangers, you have an ironing board, as well as a steam iron, a luggage thing to put your luggage, a luggage stand. And then you do have a large safe. You could store a laptop in there if you needed to. And you have another full-length mirror. And coming in, there's a seat here. You could also put luggage on that bench. You've got a large desk area, and I'm definitely going to use this. A nice Keurig machine. Hopefully they restock the pods during the stay. You have an ice bucket. Down here is a small fridge, beverage cooler as they call it, and I don't know if it might be locked or I just need more leverage to open it, or open it from the other side. There we go. So there you can store some drinks and maybe a yogurt or something like that. You have a chair, a desk lamp with some plugs, TV, and the TV is welcoming me to the room. Got a remote, some drawers here to store your clothes, nice chair, small little cocktail table, and a sofa here. I don't know, I can check and see if this sofa opens up to a bed. It does not, so it's just a sofa for seating. And then we here have this nice king size bed with a bunch of pillows and headboard, and like all modern hotels should have. You got USBs here to charge your stuff while you're sleeping, and a nice little reading light as well, headboard. So I'll show you here the view. The afternoon sun is sort of hitting the room, so it might be kind of bright, but you can see here you have a view of the lake and some nice walkways, and it looks like there's a lawn area down there, and I'm not sure, I think I'm not sure which mountain I see there. I think it's from one of the parks, but I just got here for the first time. I've never stayed on Disney property before. I've only been to the parks twice before, and the last time was, gosh, 6-7 years ago. So this has been a room tour of the King Water View room here at the Disney Coronado Springs Resort in the Gran Destino Tower. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more videos of hotels and travel and cruise ships. And thank you for watching.